Another example of a hot condition is bites and stings from insects, spiders, and scorpions. Let's take a bee sting, for example. When a bee stings a person, it releases its venom into the skin. Fairly quickly, the area around the sting might swell, turn red, feel hot to the touch. The pain is generally sharp, as opposed to like a dull ache. So plantain is perfect for this hot condition. A fresh poultice of the leaves somehow magically has the ability to pull out the poisons from the skin and dramatically decrease the redness, the swelling, and the pain. I've seen this work again and again on so many different types of bites and stings. For the best results, you want to apply the plantain as quickly as possible after the sting, and then you want to change that poultice about every 20 minutes or when the poultice feels warm to the touch. A plantain salve will also work well, especially on common itchy insect bites like those from flies and mosquitoes. Do you love herbs? Are you dreaming of becoming an herbalist? Join us at herbswithrosalee.com or click the link in the description to be a part of our vibrant herbal community. Let's keep the love for herbs growing. See you in the next snippet.